Alright, we took the old battery out and we ordered a new one, and we're just going to put the new one in now. If you want a link to buy one of these batteries for your old mobile, look in the description, and also a set of nice handy screwdrivers with 24 screwdriver bits. Interchangeable, very handy, nice metal. And if you want one of those also, look in the description to find the link. So we take that out again, and take the back off. Gently pry underneath the glass. Open it. Okay. New battery, you can see the difference. You see this, it's puffed out. This is slim and this is puffy. So this just tells you this has gone bad and you need to dispose of it safely, and it tells you what to do. You have to take it to your local recycle place. Anyway, we take the screwdrivers, we take those screws out that I put here so they wouldn't get lost. Put the back end in. Make sure it's properly in. Connect this. There's a connection here. That's now plugged in. Okay. Let's see if now this battery charges with the charger hooked in. Well, there you go. As soon as I connected the charger, it turned on. Let's see if it actually charges. Yes, screen showing 52%, so it is going up. And in the meantime, we can put the screws back on, but I would recommend you don't connect that while you're charging, because you might just drop the screw on the circuit board and cause short circuit. Nice and tidy, sorted.